What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be taking off my rear bumper and installing a new one. So to take off the rear bumpers on a Lexus is300, it has these clips in here, but since I swapped out this bumper, this isn't a USDM bumper, it's a JDM bumper. That's why it's smaller. I forgot I didn't put the clips back in, so it's going to be easier when I take it out. But for those of you that want to take off your bumper on the is300, you have to take off these 4 clips. And boom, just like that. So it has 4 or 5, but I don't have any on them. So we'll go ahead and set this down in here. Next up, you're gonna need a screwdriver for the tail lights. Take these 2 bolts out. Same thing on the other side. And I'm also thinking of getting the clear tail lights, probably down the line after I get my trunk painted, just because they're a little bit pricey. I think on eBay they're probably like $400. So now I'll be getting under the car to cut some of the zip ties that zip tie on the bottom. And I have my helper to the right of me. Yeah, pass me those. The final thing to remove this bumper, get an extension, a 10mm, a ratchet, and it's bolted in here. Now for the final part, I've removed all the ones on the side right here, these nuts. There was 4 of them. So you're going to want to get in here and take that one out right there with a screwdriver. So that comes off. You want to do the same thing to the other side. So that's clipped on there. And then this should come out. Just like that. Make sure to pick anything that falls off. So when taking this bumper off, like I said, it has a left and a right. The thing that holds this on, that's inside here. So that's this little guy right here. So make sure to keep those. So now the bumper is off. And since this one was a JDM bumper, you can see that it's not as wide, it's thinner. I had to take off my rear bash bar, so I'm going to be putting that back. Alright, Helper, hand me those things right there. I'm going to be putting these things back on. So, I already have it mocked up right here, what I need to cut, so it doesn't hit the car. I put tape right here. So I'll be shaving that off with this little guy right here that I bought from Home Depot. Let's get right to it. Alright, so what I have here is a charge speed bumper. You can see the difference from this is JDM as well, Japanese. But this is from a JDM is300 and it's thinner right there. You can see the difference. It's way smaller compared to this right here. So now we're gonna be putting it on. Alright, so we successfully got the bumper on, as you can see. So another day, I'm gonna have to put the other remaining piece right here, the body kit. Nothing touches. Alright, so the bumper's on. I still need to do some more, bolt it on a little bit better, like the ones on the side right here. I need to bolt this. For now, I'm gonna sit tight for now, since I've been here for a while now. On this side as well, get that on there, and I'm just gonna finish putting this on here. I'm sure every enthusiast or car guy can agree with me. I thought this was going to be a super fast mod, and it ended up taking longer than I expected, just because I didn't have all the tools I needed. But luckily I was able to find and work with what I had. But yeah, for the other video I'll put the bumper in good, and then I'll add these side things on here that I have on this bumper. So these are going to come off, and they go on there to cover that. But all is well. Got my new charge speed bumper on here. And thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Take care and enjoy.